By October this year, more than 100 bottled water companies and manufacturers in the Emirates are expected to comply with the new water scheme in the UAE. In an effort to ensure the high quality and safety of all drinkable bottled water, the new regulations also cover how your water is packaged, labelled and distributed. In response to this, a new player in the market says they aim to revolutionise drinking water in the country and in the region. Khadija Saleh reports.
In the UAE, the bottled water industry has grown 6% in total volume and 11% in current value terms in 2013, according to Euromonitor International. With the increasing population and ongoing development across the region, there is more room for new players such as Aqua Plus, promoting alkaline water in 5-gallon BPA-free Lila containers.
We intend to drive awareness and education amongst everyone on extremely important concepts like BPA-free and alkaline, which are concepts that are really gaining traction in other parts of the world which are more established and evolved markets. So we kind of want to educate the consumer and tell them that there are healthier alternatives out there with respect to your water that you consume and with respect to the packaging that you consume it in.
More Than Hydration company officials say their water revitalizes, detoxifies, and improves the body's metabolism. They say with Aqua Plus water, they're going to change the way we drink water. But how are they going to go about it?
When the water comes in from raw water tank, it is passed through multi-stage filtration process, starting from carbon filters, sand filtration, then we have RO membranes, and after that anti-scale dosing to remove any scale in the water. Then we pass it through, we add in minerals. It's thoroughly cleaned outside, inside, multi-stage cleaning takes place, wherein we use best quality soap-free chemicals, whether it's alkaline based or acidic based, and at every stage it's again rinsed 2 to 3 times with plain drinking water. The same water what is going into the bottles, it's rinsed on and on again with the same water, and finally it's filled up with the water and goes out.
Critics and proponents of alkaline water continue to debate the benefits of alkalized water, which has made headway in developed nations, including the US and Japan. This facility in Al Quoz has a production capacity of 15,000 5-gallon bottles a day, which they currently supply only in Dubai.
We plan to very soon be all over the UAE, and in terms of our expansion plans, we will also very soon be getting into the smaller bottles. We've had, mothers calling us up and saying the kids are drinking more water. The, daughters want a dispenser in their own room because they love the color. People have seen our trucks and taken photographs and said, it's just a standout color. So that's something that's quite an attraction on the bottle. Other things to look out for on the bottle is you always, as a consumer, you'd look at the mineral content. You'd look at, some people like to have water with lower sodium content, which is healthier. We are quite low on the sodium content as well. We're about 3 milligrams per liter. So those are things that you generally look out for on the label. We also have on the label how much your consumption should be for an average person. So we're kind of encouraging people to drink a little more water because that always helps.
Meanwhile, Euromonitor revealed flavored water was the best performer last year. Premiumization and product variety were key trends, but eco-friendly packaging is also expected to gain popularity.
Because it's a BPA-free, the shelf life is very, very short. Like we don't use the bottle more than 15-20 times. So in term, for the consumer, it's good because they're getting fresh bottles every time whenever it comes to them. Bottles is fresh and water is fresh. When the customer calls in, we make sure that we run the process, and the product water then passes through our unique filtration system where the microclustering happens. The alkaline nature of the water comes from that system. Then we pass it through a UV sterilization so that in case there is any bacteria into it, it gets killed up.
Whether you prefer your water purified, sparkling, mineral, flavored, or alkalized, experts say the wars of the bottled water will support a healthy competition, but ultimately quench consumers' thirst for good quality drinking water. Khadija Saleh, UAE Weekly.